Hey guys, I'm downtown Portland, right at the waterfront. I'm sitting on the floor. It's pretty gross when you think about it, but if you don't think about it, it's fine. Today I will be reviewing these Pall Mall cigarettes. Yeah, they match with me. I was gonna get the American Spirits in orange, but the shop that I went to didn't have them in stock, unfortunately. So second best, Pall Mall. Oh yeah, also I have this Subway sandwich. the bread is made out of yoga mat material. Okay. I also got these complimentary matches. Thank you, come back again. 100% recycled paperboard. Okay, I don't know what to get into first. My sandwich is flatbread, foot-long flatbread foot-long flatbread, turkey and ham, pepper jack cheese, toasted with spinach and chipotle sauce. It's a ton of sodium. I'm ready for it. I had an ice cream earlier from the Golden Arches, so that was good. Okay, oh wow, yeah, look at that, nice design, huh? I'm like royalty. Oh shit. Yeah. Oh, I like to do this thing. I forgot who I picked it up from, either a show or a person. I think Colton. Okay. So you do that, and then you pick out the longest one. It was actually this one right here that's not. It's giving me some pain. But you flip it, and then that's your lucky cigarette. It's the one you smoke last. In the pack. Okay. Yeah. See, these I like these. Even the wording on the cigarette is orange, which is pretty cool. Let's see if I can get this. Good. Yeah, today's been really good so far, It's just walking downtown. Nobody really bothered me, which is great. I got some compliments, some nice smiles, some looks. Oh yeah, I also got these roach earrings. They're orange on the back, which I really liked, and also roaches. Okay. This, it's a cigarette. I don't really know how you can really review one. Yeah, it's not bad. It's pretty smooth. I hope my sandwich doesn't get too cold. There are a lot of cool people down here. I'm just on my own, doing my own. Oh yeah, I got this little baby water. The lady at Subway, you could tell she really hates her job. That sucks. That's unfortunate, really. Yeah, that's smooth. I probably should have eaten first. All I've had today was an ice cream, a couple cups of coffee, and I haven't eaten since yesterday afternoon. It's just been really difficult for me in general. So, yeah. Maybe you're eating too, which is we can eat together in spirit. It's like we're sharing a meal. or a cigarette, you know, whatever you want. Live your life. I'm gonna put this girl out, actually. Beautiful. Wonderful performance. Okay. Into the sandwich. Yes. Squid Games. Yeah. This is exactly what I wanted. Not bad. Okay. Bit chip. Got the orange crew neck, and then the orange bands, and these jeans. I got them from Value Village, around like maybe $8. Yeah. I suppose. I'll just take one out.
Oh, thank you so much. You're a lifesaver. Thank you.
You too. My city. This is my city, not your city. It's mine. If you happen to live here, it's just it's like it's my story. You're just living in it. Robert, that's supposed to be side. I don't know. Hey. I'm a habitual fast eater. It's just in my DNA. Also, I'm just very hungry. Delish. If I try to eat the second sandwich, it's you know, when you eat fast, your body doesn't react fast enough to when it's actually full. So I'm gonna let that sit. I'm gonna let that simmer. But that was pretty tasty. Fun's over. Thank you for watching, if you're watching. I really like these colors. I love colors. Every color in the book. I'm just an adult child at this point. Someday I'll be grown.